Alright, good day guys. Let me teach you how to do a Glassmorphism effect using PixelLab. So let me go to my size. I will choose a YouTube thumbnail size. So I will just delete this. So I will go to my gallery and then import the background that I'm going to use. So let's take an instance I'm going to use. Let me choose one of the background. So let's take an instance. I'm going to use this. So I'll resize it, increase the relative size. So here is it. So what I will do now is I will create a shape. So on this shape I will just do it where I need it. So let me just increase the radius a little bit. So it depends on which shape you actually want to. So let me leave this shape. So let me hide this background first, and then for the shape I will go and make it transparent like this, and then I will save my work, PNG Ultra. So here we go, it has been saved. So now what I will do is I will come here and then unhide this and then hide the shape. So I will also save this as Ultra. So now what I will do is I will go to my PixArt and then I will go and blow my image there. So let me go to my PixArt. So here is my PixArt. So I will select the image here. So here is my image actually. So it's actually ready. So I will come here over here and then click on this effect here. Clicking on the effect, you can see here blur. So I will choose this blur. So you can see different type of blur. You can choose any one that you actually want. You can choose any one. Lens blur. You can see how it actually works. Lens. So you can see. So for me, I will just choose this one for now. So I will just download it. Now I will return to my PixelLab. So here are we. So what I will do now is I will import the shape that we created initially. So I will not touch anything. I will not touch anything. So I will go to relative size. Don't touch anything. So just go to your relative size and then increase it to 100. Sorry. Where's my relative size? 100. So what I will do now is I'll go to texture and then I will texture it with the blurred image. So here is it. I will just press on goods here so you can actually see how it is. So I'll go to stroke and then stroke it with a white stroke so you can actually see the effect now. So you can actually increase the shadow if you want, but this is just how to do your morphism effect. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day.